Chatbot GPT, Jewelry Review Expert, is a tool that helps you create jewelry product review and advertising content with AI quickly, easily, and professionally. Today, I'll show you how to use this chatbot to create a complete series of AI-powered KOC jewelry review videos. First, go to prompt.auto.io, then find the chatbot named Chatbot GPT, Jewelry Review. Next, copy the chatbot link and open it in a new tab. Once you enter the chatbot interface, click Start. The chatbot will introduce its features and ask you to provide 1. KOC Review Reference Image, 1 Jewelry Product Image, your preferred background, if available. You can also choose from preset backgrounds such as an elegant jewelry store, a minimalist jewelry review studio, an elegant dressing table. After uploading the KOC image, product image, and selecting a background, click Send. The chatbot will automatically generate the prompts for you. Next, copy the entire AI image prompt and open the AI image generation tool you are currently using. Upload the KOC image as the first reference image and the jewelry product image as the second reference image. Then paste the AI image prompt into the prompt field, select an appropriate Qin, Moisao aspect ratio, and generate the image. If the generated image does not meet your expectations, you can regenerate it until you get a satisfactory result. Next, return to the chatbot and copy each video prompt one by one. Paste each prompt into VAO bar to generate the corresponding scene. For every video, continue using the same image of the KOC holding or wearing the jewelry product as the reference image. After all videos have been generated, download each clip to your device. Then import all the videos into CapCut and arrange the scenes in the correct order from Video Mot to Video Num. With just a few simple steps, you can create a complete jewelry review video series without real filming, without hiring a KOC, and without preparing a production crew. Visit malamvideo.com and find Chatbot GPT Jewelry Review.